Hello, I am the most learned Dr. Potato from SnowValley. To find the most delicious French fries, and to win the annual French Fries Award, I decide to visit the SnowValley factory. Let's go! This is the SnowValley Potato Research Institute. So far, over 30 premium seed potatoes have been developed here. So, how is an excellent potato variety cultivated? Researchers carefully select top varieties from across the globe for crossbreeding, through 5 to 6 generations of screening and repeated field trials. Only one variety may emerge from hundreds of thousands of competitors. That's truly the Ivy League of the potato world. Great soil grows great spuds. SnowValley's farms are fully mechanized, with expert growers and potato doctors. Every potato has its own growth profile. Third-party certification agencies regularly inspect and test samples. Once AI systems determine the potatoes have reached the ideal size, they are carefully harvested by the growers, then stored in temperature and humidity-controlled dark rooms to prevent sprouting and preserve their nutrients. So what's the ultimate secret behind turning potatoes into delicious fries? The answer lies right here at the SnowValley French Fry Factory. Don't underestimate these machines. They annually produce 150,000 tons of fries, which would circle the globe 133 times. Potatoes are rinsed in the cleaning shop, sorted by size, then peeled by high-pressure steam. Conveyor belt sends potatoes into water jet system, where they are sliced into perfect fries. From afar, it looks like a golden river. The cut French fries are optically sorted to remove any imperfections. Then selected French fries are blanched and carefully dried, which ensures better appearance and taste. After a quick fry, the golden SnowValley fries are born. Passing through a quick freezing tunnel, the fries are then weighed and packed, sent to the freezer, and locked in the deliciousness. Only fries that pass more than 30 quality inspections make it to the market. A fully integrated cold chain is the best way to preserve freshness. At SnowValley Distribution Hub, cold chain trains deliver millions of fries across the world. Oh wow! I finally get to enjoy my SnowValley fries. Okay, these are the best fries I've ever had.